Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths class. In today's session, we'll discuss the Unit 1. The name of the unit is Numbers up to 200. What is the name of the unit, children? Numbers up to 200. Already in your last class, you have learned the numbers, isn't it? Today, we'll discuss the numbers up to 20. First, we will recite the poem. Okay, children, here a poem is there related to the numbers. We'll recite the poem. Come on, read the poem along with me, children. Warm up. In warm up, bit A, read the poem. Okay, now we'll read the poem. Here, numbers all around us. On the clock, they tell the time. On my car, the number is mine. House addresses have numbers. Your age is a number. The day today is another. Numbers are all around us. This line is the last in number. So, this poem is about numbers. So, wherever you see, whatever the work you do, you'll use numbers in your daily life. So, numbers are all around us. If you want to know the time on the clock, what you will see? You'll see the numbers. The numbers tell us the time. On your car also, you'll find the number. The number is yours. The car number is yours. And house addresses also have names. Your age is a number. Now you may be 7 years old or 8 years old. The 7 or 8 is a number. So your age is also a number. The date today is a number. So numbers are all around us. And even now this is the last. This line is the last in number. See how many lines are there in the poem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 lines are there. Here the last line is number 8. That is a beautiful poem about the numbers. See, the children are holding the number cards. Next here, second one. Bit B, solve the riddles to find the hidden message. So here a message is there. The message is hidden. That means it is hiding. You should solve it, solve the riddle, then you'll get the message here. What the message will see. See, first one, this is N. In N, the question is, I am greater than 12. I am less than 25. My ones digit is 7. So here a number is telling that I am greater than 12 and less than 25. And in ones digit what is there? 7 is there. So something will be there in the tens digit. So what is that number? What is that number, children? It's 17. What is it? 17. So we'll write 17 here. So 17 in next one here. I am less than 34 and greater than 28. I have more ones than tens. Okay, here this number is telling that I am less than 34 but greater than 29. And I have more ones than tens. So what is that number? Here the options are there. Here 17, 100, 29, 90 are there. You should choose the answer out from these 4 numbers. So the answer is 29. 29 is greater than 28 and less than 34. And see in the ones place what is there? 9 is there. So ones place is more than tens place. So the number is 29. Next here, I am between 89 and 93. I rhyme with mighty. So here this number is in between 89 and 93. And it is a rhyming word of mighty. Mighty. Rhyming word is 90. So here the number is 90. Okay, children? Now next, I am greater than 90. If you subtract me from 100, you get 0. So this number is greater than 90. But when you subtract that number from 100, what you are getting? 0. So the number is 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. Now we will fill these here in the circle. See the first one, where is 17? What is 17? N is 17. So write N here in the N. Next 100 is what? M. M answer is 100. Write M here above 100. Next 29 is B. So write B above the 29. Next E, and above 90 what you have to write, children? It's R. So write R above 90. So what is the missing number here? Missing letter word here? It's numbers. I love numbers. This is the hidden message. Okay, I love numbers. Now we'll discuss exercise 1. The first exercise. In first exercise, bit A, write the missing numbers. Read them aloud as you write. You write the missing numbers here, and while writing, you read out the number and write down, children. Okay? Shall we start writing, children? Are you ready? Come on. You also write along with me and read out the number, children. Here first number is 101. Next 102. After 102, what will write, children? 103. 103. Next 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109 and 110 are already given here. Next number is 111. 112. 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Next 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129 and 130 is given there. Now 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136. Next number is 137, 138, 139 and next 140. The next number is 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, next 149. Now we have completed half of the numbers. 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, After that 160. Next 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169. The next number is 170. Then comes 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, and next is 180. After 180, which number do we write, children? 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, and next number is 190. Next 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, and the last number is 200. Now we have written the numbers from 101 to 200. Okay, children. Now next bit is write the numbers. Here the number names are given. You have to write the number against these number names. Read the first number name, children, here. 135. 135. So how you will write? 1 in the hundreds place, 30, that is 3 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. It is 135. Second question, 118. So 1 in the hundreds place and 18, that is 1 in tens place and 8 in ones place. This is 118. Third question, 168. So 168, that means 1 in hundreds place, 6 in tens place, and 8 in ones place. Okay, 60 means 6 in tens place and 8 in ones place. So the number is 168. Fourth question, 197. Here 1 write in hundreds place, 9 write in tens place, and 7 write in ones place. So 197. This is 197. Fifth question, 110. So here write 1 in hundreds place and 1 in tens place and 0 in ones place. So 110. The last one, 199. So write 1 in hundreds place, 9 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. We'll write the number as 199. Okay, children? Now next bit. Here bit C. Complete the table, read the number name aloud. You should complete this table and write the number name and read out the number name loudly. Okay, children? Here C 115. So 1 in hundreds place, 1 in tens place and 5 in ones place. And the number name of it is 115. Next number. Here 1 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and where we write 2? 2 in ones place. Sorry. Two in ones place, and the number name is 102. Third question. 179. Here write 1 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. And the number name is 100. What is this? 79. What is the spelling of 70, children? SEVENTY. 70. Put hyphen and write 9 spelling. NINE. 9. 79. Next here 188. Write 1 in hundreds place, 8 in tens place, and 8 in ones place. See, in tens place what we had to write here? 8. And the number name of it is 100. HUNDRED. 100 and 88. EIGHTY. 80. EIGHT. 88. Next here is 150. Write 1 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place, and 0 in ones place. The number name of it is 150. What is the spelling of 50, children? FIFTY. 50. Okay. Now next bit. Now bit D. Bit D. Read the question, children. Write the greater number in the bigger flower. Write the smaller number in the smaller flower. Here two flowers are given. One is bigger, the other one is smaller. What you have to do is write the big number in the bigger flower and small number in the smaller flower. Here the numbers are given. The first question. What are the two numbers, Amma, in first question? 129 and 150. Which is the bigger number here? 129 or 150? The bigger number is 150. So write 150 in the bigger flower and the next number 129 in the smaller flower. Small number in the smaller flower, big number in the bigger flower. Next, second question. The first number is 199. Second question is 165. Yeah, 199, 165. What is bigger number here? The first number is the bigger, that is 199. So we write it in the bigger flower. And 165 is the smaller number, so we'll write it in the smaller flower. Third question. 147 and 156. The first number is 147 and second number is 156. So which is bigger here? 156 is bigger, so we'll write in the big flower. And 147 is the smaller one, so we'll write it in the smaller flower. Okay, children? Next, bit E. Write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Smallest to the greatest. Here the numbers are given. You have to write the numbers from small to big. First one is 106. This one is completed. Next, after 106, what is the smallest number, children? Here, see all the numbers here. Here 118 is the smallest one. So write 118 in the box. Next, after 118, you check the numbers. What is the smallest one, children? We got it. That is 129. After 129, what is the smallest number, children, here? 135. So write 135 in the box. After 135, the next number is 147. So write 147 in the box. After 147, the next number is 152. So write 152 in the box. Then which number? Now only two numbers are left over. Check it, children. Next number is 174. And the last number is 199. Okay, children. So the answer is 106, 118, 129, 135, 147, 152, 174 and 199. Next, bit F. Write the number that comes before. You have to write the before numbers. Here, the first one is 110. Before 110, which number do we write, children? Come on, tell the answer to your mama, children. Which number do we write? 109. Second question. Before 171, what do you write? You will write 170. So which number will come before 119, children? 119. The before number is 118. Next, which number will come before 136? Come on, guess the answer, children. Already you have learnt all these in your previous class, that is first class. The before number of 136 is 135. Next, fifth one. Which number comes before 158? The number 157. Next, before 200, which number do you write, children? We write 199. Okay. Next bit. Now we'll discuss the after numbers. Bit G, write the number that comes after. So 137 after, what is the number that comes after 137? It's 138. Next, 110. After 110, which number do we write, children? 111. Next, after 183, which number do we write, children? It's 184. So write 184. Next, 141. After 141, which number do we write, children? 142. Next, fifth one, 169. After 169, after 69, which number do we write? 170. Next, sixth one, 154. The after number of 154 is 155. Next, the last bit of this exercise, bit H. Write the number that comes between. Now we'll write the between number, children. Here 108. Next 110. What is the between number? What is the number in between 108 and 109, children? It's 108 and 110. It's 109. The number after 108 is 109, and the number before 110 is 109. So the between number of 108 and 110 is 109. Second one, 179, 181. So after 179, the number after 179 is 180, and before number of 181 is 180. So our answer is 180. Third question, 112. So the after number of 112 is 113. Next, fourth question. The after number of 125 is 126. Okay, children? Next, fifth question, 164. The number in between 164 and 166 is 165. And the last question, the number between 196 and 198 is, what is the number, children? 197. Okay. Okay, so with this we have completed the first exercise, and today your homework is write exercise 1, total all the bits, bit A to bit H in your notebook. Learn and write exercise 1 in your notebook. See the bits. Bit A is missing numbers, the numbers from 101 to 200. Bit B is write the numbers. Number names are given, you have to write the numbers. Bit C, complete the table, read the number name aloud. Bit D, write a greater number in the bigger flower and smaller number in the smaller flower. Bit E, write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Bit F, write the numbers that comes before. Next bit, bit G, write the numbers that comes after, and bit H, write the numbers that comes between. So today what you have to do is learn and write exercise 1 in your notebook. Okay, children, learn and write exercise 1 in your notebook. Okay, with this we'll close today's session. See you in the next class.